Hi, good morning, afternoon, or evening. Kevin Lombard here, Lombard Equipment. With me, I have my amazing German Shepherd, Duke, assisting me. This is kind of a different welder for us, folks. This is a Hirane. It's a cable welder, 9,000 amps. This welder came out years ago, normally sold for around $10,000. We have this for $495. It works. You wouldn't want to use this if you're doing late model vehicles, but if you're doing restoration work and you're still plug welding, if you're restoring panels, those panels, whether even if it's a 65 Chevelle, those were all spot welded. You shouldn't be plug welding those, even on restoration. So if you want to give that factory look, this will be great for those vehicles. Again, for $495, it's going to save you drilling the hole, MIG welding, grinding, puttying, and sanding. You can't get hurt with that. 3-phase, it has 3 different extension arms with it, so it gives you some flexibility to do the different areas of the vehicle. Again, $495 takes it away. Call the 800 number.